Hello, in this video I will show how we can highlight a case sensitive specific word in a column in Excel using conditional formatting. So you can see I have a column here from C4 to C14. Okay, now I want to highlight this word Diana, not this. Okay, this specific case sensitive word I want to highlight. So let me show how we can get this done. First we will select it, then we will go to conditional formatting, then we will go to new rule, then we will go to use a formula, then I will write the formula here. So I have written the formula. Let me show this to you. See, this is the formula. Okay, now I will fill it. Okay, see, only those values have been highlighted which are specific to that word Diana. Okay, not this Diana or not this Diana. Okay, or not this Diana. Only these three Dianas have been highlighted. Okay.